Squad, welcome back to PJ Family Vlogs. So for today's video, we're gonna do something new. Not really something new because we're gonna unbox this Scrabble game because I've been wanting this for so long because I'm so bored. So let's get started. And this is fast delivery. We only ordered this like yesterday. Yeah, it's so fast. So let's get started.
Wipes.
So let's get started with the opening because we disinfected. So let's open this. Wow. Take this off. And my cousin is here with me also. Oh. Nice. Yay. Whoa. Wow.
Nice.
So beautiful, like me. Okay, so let's open. Wait.
Sugata.
Yay. Wow. This is very fast. There it is. How do you open this? This is Scrabble. Every word counts when you're playing the world's most popular word game. So this is age 10 plus and players 2 to 4. So it's a richly rewarding yet simple game, ideal for the excitement of a head-to-head challenge or to relax with family and friends. Scrabble is fascinating, mind-sharpening entertainment every time you play. So rock your brains. Content: 4 racks, 100 letter tiles, cotton tile bag, rule sheet, and playing board. Try to make the most of a triple word score. Okay, so here it is. Oh. Wow. Oh dear, there's the scoreboard. The things.
Where's the bag?
Yeah. I think that. Oh. Wait, I think it's inside. Oh, whoa, look at that. So the one missing is the cotton tile bag, but it's okay because I think we have one which is like the thing of my shades. So I think we can put all of these in there. So, but it's okay. So let's get started. So there we go. Oh my gosh. Whoa, look at that. That's a lot. And we're gonna put the words here. That's so cool. I'm gonna do a word.